Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we will learn about the Shopify GraphQL Explorer app. So right now I am in the documentation of Shopify. This is the latest Shopify API documentation. And if you go down, you will see we have Shopify GraphQL app. And if you click on this, it will ask you to install this app in your Shopify store. So I will copy this my Shopify store URL and paste that over here. And from here you can select the scope of this app. You can read all the order, you can read analytics, you can read and write apps, and you have all the scopes over here. So in my case, I will select all and install the app. And if you are the owner of the store, you can install this app easily. Click on install. And after a few seconds, app will be installed in your store. Okay, now the app is installed. We have on the left side, we have API schema. So currently we are in the admin API, and then we have the storefront API. So we will be using admin API, and these are the different version of the API. So we will be using the latest version of the Shopify, which is currently 2025-10. So this is the area where you will write the GraphQL query, and over here you can add the variables. So let's grab the first 10 products from our store. So let me copy and paste the query. So in this query, we are fetching 10 products, first 10 products, and in the products, we will go to edges and then nodes, then ID, then in the node, we will get ID, title, and status. And if click this execute button, query button, it will give you the result. Now you get the data and the product and the edges, and these are the first 10 products with the title, ID, title, and status. So these are the first 10 products, and here is the extension. In the extension object, you will see the cost of the query, and this query costed us only 6, and the maximum available is 2000. So we still have the current available 1994. So it uh, changed the maximum available every time we make the query. So in 1 second in Shopify normal plan, in 1 second you can make 2 queries, I think, and this is update every time you make the new API call. So if you grab the first 50 products and then run the query again, and if you can go down, you will see this time it costed you 9 requested query, and the actual query cost is 6. So same query cost in this time. So if we get if we only get the, so let's pass the variable in the products. So let's say we are only getting the active products, something like this, query status active. So this time it will only return the active product. So you can see this is our active product, So if I go over here and open products, and let's let's make this product draft. If I go here and if I make this product draft and save that, and now if I run the query again, and you can see we no longer get that product, we are only getting the active products. And if I remove this filter, if I remove this and run the query again, you can see we only get we get all the products, doesn't matter which status it has, draft, active, and it will fetch all the first 10 products. And now we will fetch the product with its metafields. So let's say we would like to fetch the metafield of this product. So let me copy the ID of this product and add the query over here. And now I will replace the ID with this one. So we are in the product, we pass the ID and we will get the product ID, title, and then we will get the first 10 metafields along with their namespace, key, value, and type. And if I run this query, you can see we get the data and we get the product title, ID in the metafield. In the metafield, we have this custom checkout message, the namespace custom, value, the type, and all the metafields are returning back. And if I go here, you can see these are the metafields which we have for this product, and all the metafields are over here. Next, we will create a new metafield. So this time we will do the mutation. Currently we are making the query and now we will make the mutation. So let me copy and paste this query over here, and what it will do, it will create a new metafield in the product level, product metafield. So I change the query, so it will create the definition, metafield definition create, and this is the definition. In this definition we have name, key, base color, namespace, and the type single line item. And if I run this query, you can see we get the data back and this is successfully created. And if I go here and reload the page and go to view all metafields, and you can see in unpin we have a new definition base color which we just created over here. Next, we will fetch products with the pagination. So I'll copy the query and paste that over here. In this, we will get the first 5 products. Then we have the page info as next, has previous true or false. If I run this query, and you can see we have the cursor. Yes. So cursor, title, and ID. And with these cursor, we can make the request to the next products. So has next page is true, and yes, has next previous page is false. So this is how we can do the cursor based pagination queries. And finally, if I like to make changes on this product, so let me copy the product ID and let's try to add the product title of this product. So I will copy this, and this is a new product title. And if I run this query, you can see we have a new product title for this product. And if I go here, and as you can see, we have a new product title. So this is how you can test your GraphQL queries with this Shopify GraphQL App Explorer. Very easy and very useful. I hope this video makes sense to you. Please let me know if you have any question. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.